Hello students, I hope you all are fine in your home and taking care of yourself and your parents. So we have started the first chapter of the class 4th mathematics book. Now we are going to continue with the chapter. In our first two videos, we have discussed about the brick patterns and then about the faces of a solid. So in faces, we have discussed that in any geometric solid that is composed of flat surface, each flat surface is called face. Now today we are going to discuss two more properties, that is edges and vertices. So, the line where the two faces meet is called an edge. For example, this is one face, this is a flat surface, right? So, this is a one face and the other surface faces this. So, where they are meeting? They are meeting at this line, right? This face is meeting with this face at this line. So, this line will be called edge. What will be this line called? Edge, right? Now this is also a flat surface, then what will be it called? Right, face. And now this is another face, so where they are meeting? They are meeting at this line, right? So what this line will be called? Right, this line will be called an edge. So after edge we can see vertex. What we can see? Vertex. And the plural of the vertex will be vertices. So, this is a point where two or more curves or lines or edges meet. So, at edge, what two things meet? Two faces. And at vertex, what meets? Yes, edges. Now, for example, this is an edge and this is an edge. So, where they are meeting? They are meeting at this point. Then what will be this called? This will be called vertex. So this is a brick. You can see this flat surface. This is face. So these all flat surfaces are faces of the brick. Now where the two faces are meet, they will call an edge. What they will call? Edge. And where two edges meet, it will call a vertex. What will it call? Yes, it will call a vertex. So in first video, we have discussed about some solids like cone, sphere, cylinder, cube, cuboid, and here are given that how many faces, edges and vertices this solid have. So how many faces are there in a cuboid? 6. 12 edges and 8 vertices. Next thing is different wall patterns. The patterns are made from? Yes, bricks. We have seen some kind of patterns in the last video also. So here are the photos of three kind of brick walls. Can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? Can you see the difference? Can you spot? Yes, there is the difference in all the patterns. For example, in this first the long face is given, then smaller, then longer, then smaller, then longer, right? And then the opposite is done in the next row. And in this what we can see? That a smaller one is placed on the larger face, right? And in this, first a line of all the smaller faces is made, then a line of all larger face, right? So there is a difference. Now these are the photos of this wall. Can you match them? Try and match them. Do I have matched them rightly? So, our next is, one day Munia and Janab are playing with bricks and making their walls. Each makes a different wall. So, Janab have made a wall like this and Munia have made a wall like this. So, Janab says her wall will not fall easily. Masons too do not put bricks one on the top of the other, as Munia has done. What do you think? Which wall will be stronger? If I ask you, have you seen any mason constructing a house or a building? Yes or no? So, I will show you how they construct it. So, this is the way the masons put the bricks. Can you see? So, can you see the pattern? Can you tell me how the masons are putting the bricks? The way in which Munia have put or the way in which Janab have put? Yes, the right answer is Janab. Look for the walls where you see different bricks patterns. So you can also see the patterns in the walls and can share with me. So now in the last video we have seen that how the Jagrati school people have trying and searching for the brick patterns. Now the masons have also built the jali on the walls. Can you see these jalis? Right? So they have made different patterns in the jali. Can you search these patterns? Can you see that how these patterns are different? Yes? Yes, the patterns in the jalis are different. So now, this is a drawing of another beautiful jali. Can you see the pattern here? Now color some bricks red and make your own jali patterns in the wall drawn below. So this is a space given for you where you can make your own jali. For example, this is one way in which my friend have made a jali. Similarly, you can also draw a jali, right? So can you see window in this picture? This is a picture of a school and there a window is made. You know what this window is called? This window is called jharoka. Now you can draw some jharoka patterns in the wall here, right? You can also try and make your own patterns here, okay? So now this is jali from a library building in Kerala. Where this library is? Yes, this is in Kerala. Do you know where Kerala is in the map of India? Yes, near the sea. See how the edge of the bricks is used to make a triangle in the wall. Can you see these triangles? Now, which part of the brick is used to make this triangle? Edge. We have seen what is an edge, right? Where the two faces meet. So, this is a jali made of edge of the bricks. And which shape it took? It took the triangle shape. Have you seen around yourself where you can see such triangles? Find out and share with me. So, next is an arc. They have shown this. This is from a school in Faizabad. So, first of all, we need to know that what is an arc. So, an arc is a vertical curved structure. For example, this. So, this is a curved structure, right? And there is all the weight above the arc. So, these are some real life examples of the arc. Can you trace the arc in all of them? Yes? You can also search the arcs in nearby you, that where all you can see an arc. So, have you seen arcs in a bridge? Have you seen a bridge? For example, above the river or when you are crossing a railway track. Yes? So, this is also an arc, and in the examples we have shown the bridge, there is also arcs, right? So, a special arc. In this photo from Orcha, see how the arc is made. It has a nice name, Ghungat Wali Mehrab. You can see this arc. What this special name of this arc? Ghungat Wali Mehrab. Do you like the name? Isn't the jali of this window beautiful? It is made of thin bricks. Have you ever seen thin bricks? Look around. So there can be two types of bricks, thin and thick. Which kind of bricks you have seen? So now your homework is select any 5 objects in your house and write how many faces, edges and vertices that object have. Okay? I hope this will help you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.